Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
No, not at all. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope I'm not disturbing you.
Not at all.
You look like you've had a difficult day. Is it really that obvious?
A little. Your eyes look tired.
I guess I couldn't hide it even if I tried.
Do you want to talk about it?
I'm not sure.
That's okay. You don't have to.
It's just that I've been keeping everything inside for too long. Sometimes talking to someone helps, even if that someone is a stranger.
Especially if that someone is a stranger.
That's an interesting way to look at it.
My name is Emily.
Nice to meet you, Emily. I'm Sophia.
Nice to meet you too, Sophia.
Thank you for letting me sit here.
You're welcome.
Actually, I came into this cafe because I didn't know where else to go.
You don't have anywhere to be?
Not anymore.
What do you mean?
I lost my apartment this morning.
Wait, are you serious?
I wish I wasn't. I'm so sorry. I couldn't pay the rent this month. That must have been heartbreaking. It was.
Do you have any family nearby?
No.
Any friends?
Not in this city.
So you're completely alone?
It feels that way.
I'm really sorry you're going through this.
Thank you.
Have you eaten today?
Not really.
What does not really mean?
I had half a sandwich this morning.
That's all?
I wanted to save the little money I had left.
Sophia.
Don't worry, I'll be okay.
You don't sound okay.
Honestly, I'm scared.
I can understand that.
Everything happened so fast.
Did you lose your job too?
Yes.
When?
3 weeks ago.
Why?
The company closed.
That's terrible.
At first, I thought I'd find another job quickly,
but it didn't happen?
No.
Have you been looking?
Every single day.
Any interviews?
A few.
How did they go?
They all said the same thing.
What did they say?
We'll call you.
And they never did?
Exactly. That must have been very frustrating. After a while, I stopped expecting good news. Don't lose hope. I'm trying not to. Sometimes life surprises us. I hope so. What kind of work do you do? I worked as a receptionist.
Really?
Yes.
You must be good with people.
I tried my best.
I can tell.
How?
You're polite.
My mother always told me to be kind.
She gave you good advice.
She passed away 2 years ago.
Oh.
She was the strongest person I knew. I'm very sorry.
Thank you.
She would be proud of you. I don't know.
Why do you say that?
Because right now I feel like I've failed. Losing a job doesn't make you a failure. It doesn't feel that way. Feelings aren't always facts. That's easy to say.
You're right.
Have you ever lost everything?
Almost.
Really? 5 years ago. What happened? I lost my father. I'm sorry. After that, my family struggled financially. That must have been difficult. It was. How did you get through it? One day at a time. That sounds simple. It is simple, but not easy. Exactly. You're very calm. I've learned that worrying doesn't change anything. I wish I could think like that. You will. How can you be so sure? Because you're still here. What do you mean? You haven't given up. I don't have a choice. Sometimes that's enough. Maybe. Sophia? Yes? Let me buy you dinner. Oh no. Why not? I can't accept that. Why? We've only known each other for a few minutes. That doesn't matter. It matters to me. Then think of it as a gift. I don't like taking things from people. You're not taking anything. Then what am I doing? You're giving me the chance to help someone. That's a beautiful way to look at it. So, will you let me help? Sophia? All right. Really? Yes. I'm glad. But only if you promise me one thing. What's that? One day, if I can repay your kindness, you'll let me. That's a promise. Thank you, Emily. You're very welcome.